In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store with ease. We'll walk through each step in the process to ensure you have a seamless experience, adding custom liquid to your pages, which allows for enhanced customization options and unique personalization. So let's dive right in. First, navigate to your Shopify dashboard. It's your command center where you'll manage all your store's operations. Once you're already in the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You should see an option labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click it. This section houses the control panel for your store's themes, which is where we'll spend most of our time today. Once you've accessed the online store menu, you'll see a Themes option. Here's where the magic happens. Every visual aspect of your store can be adjusted from here. Click on Customize, which will open the theme editor. This powerful tool lets you modify the look and feel of your website, offering a variety of options to make your store stand out to potential customers. You'll notice at the top of your theme editor a drop-down box labeled Home Page. Clicking on this drop-down menu allows you to select from different pages on your site which you'd like to customize. Choose Products because we're focusing on the product pages today. After selecting Products, direct your attention to another drop-down labeled Default Products. Click on it to bring up your default product template. This is where you'll be applying the custom liquid code we'll be working with. Now it's time to add the custom element. Look for a small plus icon which lets you add new sections to your page. Click on that, and a list will appear with various customizable options. Scroll through the list until you find an option called Custom Liquid. Selecting this option adds a new customizable section to your product page where you can input unique code snippets. Once you've added the Custom Liquid section, you're free to start inputting your custom code. To ensure everything functions as intended, double-check any code snippets you're using before saving changes. This section is incredibly versatile. Whether you're embedding third-party reviews or any specific feature that requires code, it's your go-to spot. Remember that every click and change you make within the Shopify dashboard ensures your store reflects your brand's unique personality and meets the needs of your business. Custom Liquid gives you freedom far beyond basic design options, letting you integrate specialized content seamlessly. That wraps up today's guide to using Shopify's theme editor to add custom features to your product pages. Take your time experimenting with different customizations to find what works best for your store. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and empowers you to create the online presence you've envisioned. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your online store.